my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Super excited. I got my Macys Beauty Box in the mail. This is my second unboxing for the day. I got one more to go after that. I still have to do my Walmart Beauty Box as well. So your girl's on a roll. Your girl is on a roll today. I'm just gonna bang out these boxes because I'm here to give content to my subscribers. You know, you guys know I love you. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Walmart Beauty Box, stay tuned for my next video. But today we're gonna see what's in the Macys Beauty Box. I just opened up the box before filming, but I never look inside to see what's in here. So when you open the box, this is weird. When you open it up, the whole box like opens up. So this is what I got inside the box. So this tells you what's in the box. So I'm not gonna like take a look. This is a coupon. You always get a coupon. This is $10 off your next $40 purchase. So they used to give like $5 off anything beauty related in Macys, which I loved, and now they changed the coupon to where like you have to spend on something. I liked it when it was $5 off anything. So I don't know whose idea was it to do that, but I don't like that. But that's just my opinion only. Just maybe if some people, maybe they're young and they can't afford to really buy anything in cosmetics, but that little $5 really helped them get something. So I don't like that you have to now you have to commit to something, and you got to commit to at least $40. So like if it was someone young, maybe they didn't want to spend $40, and now you have no choice. So let's see what I got in here. So I always have the tissue papers, pink, because I love pink. That's my favorite color. And then this is your sneak peek. Oh, hold on. I hope the stuff doesn't fall out, but sneak peek. Normally I do it in the box, but that box collapses once you open it. Alrighty, so what I love about this box is it's like the cheapest, one of the cheapest beauty boxes. The Walmart Beauty Box is actually very cheap. That's like $7 right now. It used to be $5. This one is only $15, which I think is like an amazing deal. I hope they don't put their prices up because I feel like everybody has been putting their prices up. Allure put their prices up. Walmart put their prices up. So I hope they don't jump on a bandwagon with putting your prices up because I actually think you get a good deal for $15. They give you everything from skincare to makeup, fragrances, you name it, you get it. They normally send like a men's fragrance and a woman's fragrance. So let's see what I got. Let's see. So, oh my gosh, I keep getting these dry shampoos and the cap is broken. No, the cap looks broken. I may be able to fix that. But I got a dry shampoo. Or maybe it'll work. Hopefully it works. I got a dry shampoo. I really don't use dry shampoos because my hair is not oily at all. If anything, it's oily. So, I mean, if anything, it's dry. But I got a dry shampoo from the brand Dry Bar. Dry Bar makes very good products. So that's what it looks like. Hold on. There we go. All right. The next thing I got is, what is this? What is this contraption right here? It says beauty supplements. So I guess like for your vitamins. This is cute. I'm here for this. Because I try to take my vitamins every day. So this is cute. How do we open her up? Oh, this is cute. Look at this. Where you can hold like your vitamins and stuff like that. We are here for this. We are here for this. Very nice, very nice. I like that. I mean, it says beauty. I was going to say it's not really beauty, but beauty supplements. I guess that's how they spin it. All right, so the next thing I got is Retinol Ceramide Capsules Line Erasing Night Serum. Ooh. So that's what the packaging looks like. And let's see, we got some little capsules here with retinol in them. So that's pretty cool. Very cool, very cool. So far, I'm happy with everything. The next thing I got is a men's cologne. This is Polo Ralph Lauren Deep Blue. Let me smell this. Let me smell it. It's a men's cologne, but I'm just curious to see. It smells good. So I'm going to just spray a little bit on the card. Ooh. Mmm. That smells good. It smells like maybe Cool Waters or Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for men. Oh, this smells good. Wow, this smells delicious. See? It's something about when a guy has on like nice cologne. Like it just makes him look so much more attractive when they got some good cologne on. I love the smell of that. Alrighty, so I actually own this fragrance already, so I'm not going to open it up. Fun quick story, side note. I have this fragrance. Hold on, I'll get it. Hold on. Alright, so when you buy the fragrance, the bottle actually looks like so. And I've had this, I want to say I bought this around like Christmas time. And as you can see, I barely used it. But if you look at the top, you can see it says Romance right here. Romance and Ralph, for Ralph Lauren, you can see, which is exactly what this is. So they have a fragrance. So there was a tester, there was testers out. Somebody put the wrong tester bottle in front of, I guess, whatever I bought. So I bought this instead of the one that I want. They have one called like Ralph Lauren Rose or something like that. I love the smell of roses. So I thought that's what I was buying, and I actually got this, and I actually like hate it. I don't like it at all, but I feel bad for returning, so I just kept it, but I really don't like it. So I'll give this away. I put that in my basket for giveaways for somebody else. This is like my staple. Well, this one is emptying soon. This is Ralph Lauren. I think it's just called like Ralph Lauren, but this is like my OG. Like if there's one bottle of fragrance that I'm always gonna buy is this. I always have them 2 at a time. When this one ends, I'm gonna buy another one because fear of it, like I'm never getting it again. But have you guys ever smelled, like it just smells, I can't even explain it, but people stop me. This and the Lancome La Vie Estable. People stop me in my tracks.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. What fragrance do you have when it smells amazing?
Actually, my Jo Malone one too, the Nectarine and Honey Blossom. People stop me for that. Those 3, but Ralph Lauren, please do not discontinue this because your girl, my secret stopped me dead in my tracks. So yeah, so fun little, I like to give you guys little tidbits of behind the scenes of Aisha. Alright, but back to the unboxing. So the next thing I got is a Fix Plus spray. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny, guys. Do you guys, what kind of spray? You know what, this is funny as hell. Look at this. Let me see this real quick. What kind of spray? Wow, they wrong for that. I'm dying right now. Oh my god, the guys. Oh my, this is funny. Wow. This is like a mini Fix Plus spray. I used to work for MAC, so as you guys can see if you follow my Instagram. So I used to love MAC's Fix Plus spray, but now since I've tried so many, like I have so many other favorite ones. Like one of my OGs that I always go to is the the Too Faced setting spray. It smells like coconut. Oh, it smells so good. I love that setting spray. But yeah, I still use this. It's okay. This is like, they started like the whole trend of setting sprays, but like since then they've come up with a lot better. But I mean, I'll still use it. The next thing I got is a Lip Maestro lip color. It came in a little packaging like this. Let's see what it looks like, the color looks like though. Oh, I don't think this color is gonna look, I'm gonna give this away. That's what the color looks like, but I'm not here for it. We ain't here for it. But that comes along with makeup subscription boxes. Wow, like, I don't know what it is, but this box, the Macys Beauty Box, is such an underrated box, and I don't know why. This box is amazing. They give you a little bit of everything. It's not makeup heavy. We got 2 makeup items in it, but it's not a makeup heavy box, but it's stuff that you would actually like use. It's not like all skincare, even though the next 2 things are skincare. But I mean, it's not all skincare. Like, the reason why I stopped doing Allure Beauty Box is like my whole box was like skincare. And I'm like, really? Allure, of all boxes, it was like all skincare. Same thing with Birchbox, so I had to let them go. But I love this box because you get to, they always give you like a men's and women's colognes to smell. This gets me in trouble though. Luckily, I already had this already, but like every single one they've given me, I've bought in. And I have a huge fragrance collection because I just like scent. Scent is like, I don't know, I love when a guy smells good, so I always like to smell good. So I have like, I don't know, at least 50 or more bottles of fragrances. I'll link my fragrance collection down below if you guys haven't seen it, but I love fragrance. So I love that they give you fragrances. I mean, I don't know why they give you guy ones. Oh God, this smells so good. Let me stop smelling it. Woo! I don't know why they give you guy fragrance because, I mean, clearly everything in here is for female, but they just randomly give you guys fragrance too. Maybe they give it for like a boyfriend or something, but like, I want it all for myself. I want it all for myself. Alrighty, anyway, back to the unboxing. So I got this. It came in a little baggie. It's a Genifique. Advanced, I think I got so many samples of these and I never use them, but that's what it looks like. It's a serum. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe I should try it. I'll add this to my serums in my new vanity thing that I bought to hold like my serums, which like I said, I'm gonna, oh, I don't think I said it in this video. Sorry, I just filmed another video before this. I recently redid one of my half the bathrooms. And I'm stashing a lot of my skincare in there just because I have so much in my actual master bathroom. And like sometimes if somebody comes over, they're like,
you have a lot of skincare? Why do you have so much stuff? Like, is this all yours? And it's like,
I'm the only girl who lives here, so who else would it be? But so now I'm gonna stash stuff in various rooms so that way like no one can judge me. So I'll show you guys that video coming soon. After I think I filmed these boxes that I got today, my next video I'll film of where I keep like my backup skincare, which is why I say I don't like getting skincare in my makeup subscription boxes, which you guys will see. I have a lot. You guys will understand after you watch that video. You're gonna be like, damn girl, you got, yeah, a whole big thing of serums and then a whole big thing of moisturizers. It's just ridiculous. But nevertheless, we'll try this out. I think I should finally try this, so we'll try that out. Then I got a Clarins. It says Total Eye Lift. I'm gonna give this away because I have so much. I feel like I tend to not try sample sizes stuff because I just tend to go to the full size stuff. Not to say that this is an actually decent size though, but I'm gonna give it away just because I have so much. I have so much. I'm gonna have to do another giveaway soon. Just because I have bins here on the side of stuff that I gotta purge. I gotta purge. Give it away. Give it away. So stay tuned for that giveaway. But that was everything I got. So now I can look at the card. Yes, this definitely told me everything I got in the box. And then they give you like a description of everything in the box here. Tells you like the prices. So Why does it say the Max Prep Fix Spray is $29? I mean, when I worked at MAC, that setting spray was not $29. Is this new or something? Hold on. It says Fix Plus Spray. Why is it $29 though? That seems like a tad much compared to when I worked at MAC. It says these serums was $107. Wow. I have to try this. It says this lip color retails for $38, and I'm talking about the full size. These are travel size, but if you get the full size, that's the price. The fragrance was $98. Oh my gosh, I paid $98 for this, and I don't even use it. And then the cologne was $105. That I would. Oh, wow. If you guys are ever in Macy's, go and smell this. Oh, but yeah, that's everything. I love this box. Macy's Beauty Box, although it's not all, because you guys know sometimes I get a little salty when my boxes are all skincare, but I like that these are things that I would actually like use and wear, and it wasn't all skincare. I'm happy. I'm very happy with this box. As always, I think lately, Macy's Beauty Box has been one of my favorite boxes to unbox. It's my Macy's Beauty Box, and I would say it's my Ipsy and then my BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm used to be my favorite subscription box, but lately, they've been falling off. They have been falling off. They used to have like all the hot in product stuff that's not even, that just launched, like new stuff, and it's just, I don't know. I feel like ever since they like gave their box, I think Ipsy owns them. It's not the same. I mean, I still subscribe to it, but it's just not the same. Comment down below if you guys agree with me on how I feel about that. That's really about it for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my video and you liked my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. This is pre-filmed, so right now I think I need like under 20 subscribers to make 1,000 subscribers. So I'm almost there. I'm almost there. So every little bit of support helps. So if you really like my channel, you like me, subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. And likes always help the channel as well. And yeah, that's really about it. I'll see you guys all in my next video. The next one is going to be my Walmart beauty box. So stay tuned for that. I love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.